We got a brand new GMC with the full setup here at Truck Access Plus. We got the BedRug to start, full classic BedRug liner, custom fit for the multi-pro tailgate, already cut from the factory. All the lights and all the hookups are all cut out. This is all custom. It's gonna give you that comfort when you're in here fixing up with the rack and the cover. So this BAKFLIP MX4 is still fully functional with the Elevate Truck Hero rack. You can fold it up all the way and get the full bed access. You can now have a T-rail with the folding cover. So these are Truck Hero Elevate rails, TS rails with the full size rack. So now you can fold the cover. Now this rack system is adjustable. This is at the 28-inch height. You can lower it to the 18-inch for lower clearance. You get the low profile setup with the cab height rack, Elevate rack system, BAKFLIP MX4. You got the BedRug, the full setup on the brand new GMC. Visit us in Phoenix, Truck Access Plus, shop online, truckaccessplus.com.